Hey guys, Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. And these are our self-growing planters. Come here, girl. Big girl. They've been growing by themselves with no human intervention since the beginning of the year. I would say in March. We planted them as seedlings in March. And they have taken off. They have literally taken off. And they look so good, the celery. Isn't it beautiful? Man, that's gorgeous. I hope I'm doing this picture justice, but look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Man, so many leaves. I love it in my soup. Oh my God, I'm so glad I have it. If I didn't have it, I would panic. Now, you're gonna love this. You will never run out of food, okay? You have to plan your garden accordingly and you will never run out of food. Now, this tomato planter was growing, tomatoes were growing in this planter, and so was Nasturtium. So this plant right here was enough to feed me, to supplement my diet up until in March. I've eaten Nasturtiums off of these planters, and it's grown 27 tomatoes. I know, it's in the same planter. Where the sun is that? This is a 16-inch one. That's the one we ship out to all of you guys. That's what we ship out to you, 16-inch planters. It's been growing by itself with no human intervention. And it's not just a fluke. I mean, this is what our products do. These are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters that are designed so that you will never run out of food. Now, see the water? Yes. There was so much food growing in here, and now I've got to go back and cut the water back. Because all the food has, now I put these in because of the seasons. I put the tomatoes in because I wanted some summer food, nasturtiums because I want a continual salad. I put the celery in because it's tremendous, robust taste and flavor is amazing. And it goes out into the wintertime. It's already hit 26 degrees. Multiple times it hit 30-something degrees. People's gardening, the ground is done. Dude, my food is just beginning. Look, your health is your food. Please understand, your health is your food. So, same thing with this one. Yeah, celery, we eat off this one an awful lot. I like this one. It's really big leaves on it. I've been tearing that bad boy up. She looks so good. Man, she's beautiful. And she also has grown around 27 tomatoes, and so has that one over there grown 27 tomatoes. And man, dude, it was absolutely stunning. Look at the there's so much celery. I can't eat it all. You know what I mean? So I have it in here. Look at that. Will you look at that? Is that not beautiful or what? Man, that's gorgeous, and it's still growing. Well, I'm not going to turn my Torpedopots off yet. Okay, not yet. I will eventually turn them off, but with results like this, I'll turn them back, but I won't turn them off. Not with food growing like this in the wintertime. I'm sorry, it's November, late November. I mean, we're about to go into Thanksgiving, right? So you guys are getting a live picture here. All right, so this is Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Let me tell you something. I'm here to change your thinking on your food. Okay? You're not in agribusiness. You stop trying to grow food like they do on the farms. That nostalgic growing has been supplemented with chemicals. They're not growing naturally. They're they're creating conditions that have fed us, has did us a good service. Don't get me wrong. But now we have to look further into our capabilities to see if we can do better. And Torpedopot gets you there. Darryl Addison, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.